Using Walmart Cash in Store is a convenient way to make purchases without needing a physical wallet or credit card. To get started, you will first need to have a Walmart account and the Walmart app on your mobile device. To use Walmart Cash in Store, begin by opening the Walmart app and navigating to the Services section. From there, select Walmart Pay, which will prompt you to sign in to your Walmart account if you have not already done so. Once you are signed in, you can add a payment method to your Walmart Pay account. This can be a credit card, debit card, or gift card. After adding your payment method, you will be able to generate a unique QR code that can be used to make purchases in store. To pay with Walmart Cash in Store, proceed to the checkout lane as you normally would. When it is time to pay, open the Walmart app and navigate to the Walmart Pay section. The cashier will then scan the QR code displayed on your mobile device to process the payment. You can also use Walmart Cash to send and receive money. To do this, navigate to the Walmart Cash section of the app and follow the prompts to send or receive money. You can send money to anyone with a Walmart account, and they can receive the funds instantly. To receive cash, the recipient will need to have the Walmart app and a Walmart account. They can then use the received funds to make purchases in store or online. It is essential to note that Walmart Cash can only be used in Walmart stores and on the Walmart website. Additionally, Walmart Cash is not a traditional bank account and is not insured by the FDIC. In conclusion, using Walmart Cash in Store is a simple and convenient way to make purchases and send and receive money. By following these steps and best practices, you can take advantage of the benefits of Walmart Cash and make your shopping experience more efficient.